Hi, I'm getting ready to film. I'm just letting you know about my wonderful cold that I have. So why I sound like this. So I've got my special little buddy right next to me. He's making sure I'm okay, but we'll be here with a video very soon. Hi everybody, I'm back for take 2 of this video. I received a package last week from Foxy Fix, and I'm so sorry about my voice, but I've had the flu and I've been wanting to get this video up because so many of you have asked about what I received. So at first it came in this wonderful box. I haven't received a traveler's notebook from Foxy Fix probably since I ordered this, my micro in the Rowena. It's the number 0, and this was the first version where they had pockets, and it did come with a little pen loop closure. So this was the last Foxy Fix I ordered, and that was a little over a year ago. It was around Thanksgiving of 2016. And one of the reasons is, you know, they've just become so popular and the turnaround time was, you know, so long that, you know, I didn't want to wait. I was too anxious. So what came in this wonderful little box? Well, the first thing that came was a sample for a leather I've never seen in my hand. This is the sugar and it's the coconut, and it's a real soft leather. I will include some of the original video footage here of unboxing this, but I might cut the sound out because my voice was even worse than it is today. But the reason we're here is, and I love that this detail is here. It was a wonderful, wonderful design. What I ordered was this beautiful traveler's notebook. This is a number 1, so it is a passport size, and this is the new Spice leather, and this is in the color Thyme. And let me open it so you can see. Now I've been using this. No, I've been actually sick home with the flu, so it's gone with me, I think, twice to the urgent care, and it's gone with me a couple of times to the grocery store. So I mean, and also to the drugstore to pick up my medicine. So it hasn't really done a lot of traveling, but it does scratch quite easily. But it is such a beautiful leather. And this is such a unique design. It kind of reminds me of the like Filofax Malden, or the Gilios that have the pocket with the rings. But I went with the standard configuration. The only thing I did not get was a pen loop, and that's because I can just attach a pen loop to a folder or a dashboard or something and be just fine. So let me show you what I have in here. I'll still make sure I include some of the original unboxing footage so you can see that, but I opted for the normal pockets. So you've got a pocket here, a pocket here, and then there's even, I don't think I have a business card in here yet, and a pocket here, which I think some people like to put their like decorative paper clips and stuff. So the first thing I have in here is my Peaky Dory Design monthly passport calendar, and most of this has been sick. So I've got a monthly calendar in here. This folder is a Taroko shop or Taroko design folder, and it's black, and it's the craft text material that's stitched. And then this is a new insert. This is the Peaky Dory Design weekly calendar, January through June dated, and it's the passport size. And here we are, and I'm just keeping track of the medicines I take when I have to take them. But we have this undated right now in the shop, and it's available in the personal size and the B6 slim size and the standard Midori size, dated for the whole year, and we're getting it ready for the passport and pocket. So that should be maybe in a couple of weeks after I get over this voice flu stuff. So then the next, so this has 4 elastic, it's just the compact. I have the Midori, the cotton zipper pouch. So I've got like IDs and stuff in here. This is the passport quarterly planning undated, so I can keep track of concerts that I have each month, and I need to update this size. And then the last insert I have in here is just a Peaky Dory Design grid insert with some scrapbook paper I printed. And then in the pocket back here, I have a piece of cardstock that I put some different Post-it tabs on because I use these for lots of things. So that is all. If I cut that card a little too big. Is all what I have at the moment in my traveler's notebook. And I just wanted to show, this is the very first Foxy Fix notebook I bought. It was they called it chartreuse. Excuse me. And I got this, I ordered it in December of 2014, and I got it the first week of January of 2015. So this was the very first Foxy Fix I purchased, and this is the last one that I've purchased. So I just thought I would show, you know, where they came from to what they're doing now is really remarkable. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, I'm here for a quick video. Sorry I don't have much of a voice. I've gotten that horrible flu that's going around, but this arrived today. I'm at home sick and I wanted to see it so bad. So I am filming this video. You can see by the box, it is a Foxy Fix, and I haven't had anything arrive. I haven't ordered anything from Foxy Fix in quite a long time. I love their notebooks, but you know, the turnaround time, the wait time is usually long, and so that has deterred me. Okay, and I haven't really gotten any of the new leathers, so this is a sample, and I'm glad that they do this now. It says sugar coconut. It's real soft. Very soft. It smells nice too. And of course, there's their business cards. And more of these things. Little worms. I think that's my invoice. Yes. I do have to say that I love their packaging, their attention to this detail. I mean, the box, even if you look here, it says Foxy Fix, and then when you open it, you got the exact same design there. Very cute. But this is one of the new leathers, and it's one of the new designs. So let's see what we have. So everyone knows my favorite size is the passport size. And this is a number 1 or a passport with a compact spine, which I guess is, I forgot it had that, 1.5 inches. And it also has pockets here. So it has like a ID, I guess you call it, pocket. But then it also has a pocket here and a pocket here. And the same thing on this side. And then one thing that's so unique about this new, oh, it rubs out. I had scratched that and it rubs out. This is the color Thyme, T-H-Y-M, and it is gorgeous. It's like an olive color. This is from the new Spice line, and this is gorgeous. But one thing that's unique about this is you'll see it has this pocket where you could put bills, receipts, who knows what in there. Beautiful. Let me see. I haven't been using a passport much lately because I have been using this beautiful olive Sojourner by Rowena. So I don't really have many passport items ready. And because I was sick, you know, I wasn't going to, I haven't used a passport in a long time because I don't have a weekly insert made for myself. I've made them for orders, but not for myself. So let's just put a few items in here. This is my monthly calendar. Yeah, see, the last time I used this was this week in December. This looks like this notebook will hold a lot of stuff. And see, I'm so sick and so out of it, like, I don't even have, like, I've got a beautiful olive Midori ID pouch that I can use. But look, this thing is the compact, and this is going to hold so much stuff. I just wanted to do a quick little video, and we'll see how good the quality of this is. I have a feeling it's very lousy because I feel lousy, and so I might redo it, but impressions afterwards. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you the next time around. Bye-bye.